Good morning. This is all of our investments. Here to go over some stocks from the Gap scanner. Before we get started, I wanted to go over a couple trades I took. I actually did some pre-market trading this morning with the DWAC, and I lost money, but here to sort of just order entry. I first tried to get in. So I had sort of like a trend line going, from that candle down, and I put in an order. Once it got up to I think 101.31. I put in an order, and it dipped down, and it didn't take off right away like I thought it would. And I ended up stopping out on that one. I believe I stopped out at the 9 moving average. So I think it was either this candle or the candle after that. Anyway, then I got back in here. Okay, I tried to buy the dip off of. That was actually pretty frustrating. I tried to buy the dip off of VWAP right here, and my order didn't get filled. And so I got frustrated. I walked away, and then I got, where did I get back in at? Okay, right here. I made my money back on this candle right here. I bought it was something like 111, and I sold like 113 or something like that. I made back everything I had lost back then. Well, then this candle comes and it drops way down, crashes through VWAP, and I put it in order to buy when it was right around in here and it flashed down. And I must have see. I think I still had my order entry window open. I moved to the side, and they have this thing where you can double click here, and it kind of creates noise. Well, anyway, I did something wrong. I ended up getting filled way up here, like where I had gotten out before, like 113 or something like that. And then like it flashed down again. And for some reason, I sat here and I waited, and it flashed back up. And I ended up stopping out. I believe it was on this candle right here, when it made it do low, when it hit that 9 there. So then I kind of called it a day because I didn't want to get into this rejection right here. Yeah, I didn't really think that was gonna. I was worried that it wasn't gonna keep going, and it didn't. I don't think so. Anyway, yeah. So that's it was a frustrating day on DWAC. As far as the gap scanner goes, let's see, MARK. Yeah, those are the only trades I took pre-market today. So, a bit aggravating. Okay. So MARK, they had filed for an offering with a single investor. I think it was I think Friday they did it. And yeah, so that's the news there wrap on. Yeah, so they went from here in the dollar area to this morning at a high of $9.90, and of course, it didn't do so well once the bell rang. But, yeah, let's mark MA. I'm sorry, it's, GRNQ. There was something about low Earth satellites, some kind of catalyst incubated company successfully admitted a member filing for application to launch its low Earth orbit satellites. Yep. So this one shot up pre-market. And it's for some reason I thought this one was higher than this. Let's see so mixed up with something else. Anyway, okay, so pre-market we hit 286. So if we can hit that, we still got a bunch of resistance right above it, right here at it's got to get through all that, and then it's got to, and then our next point we got to get to is 415. We have to break through that. So yeah, I mean it might surprise us and get through that. Looks like it is curling up a bit there. Okay, SONM. I'm not seeing any news on them. And pulled back quite a bit off that pre-market high of 487. Yeah, I think that one's pulled back a bit too much. PAE has the buyout. We'll trade that one. CRTD. Yeah, this one sort of fell off at the open here. PIXY. Go back. This one might make a move crawling back up towards VWAP. I don't know. It looks kind of like it wants to, doesn't it? PIXY. This one looks too choppy for me. I don't like the way how it just kind of like jerks around unexpectedly like that. BENE. I think they have the same CEO with DWAC, who is the catalyst. I'm not. I don't really find the chart to be too clear here. This. Yeah, I don't like the way the chart looks on it. BKKT. This one looked like it was going to have a nice flat top breakout here at the open, and it didn't follow through. What's the? I think they had a catalyst, something to do with. Let's see, something to do with MasterCard announcing a partnership for crypto and loyalty solutions. That's looking kind of choppy now. PHUN. So looks like it made a big move on Friday. Yeah, so it looks like it already broke below yesterday's close. Yeah, so that one is just pulled back way too much. A nice little uptrend there in the pre-market, but it's kind of irrelevant at this point. KRBP. Let's see, you got to get over 1335. I'm sorry, 335. 335. Then we got resistance coming up here and this like 371 area. Yeah, you can kind of see, and then we got a bit of a double top there. And let's see. Yeah. Yeah, so sort of a frustrating morning for me. That's all I have today. Let's get through all of our investments, and thank you for checking us out.